Making an activity relationship chart is actually easy. The concept is simple. You list your departments, you evaluate how closely they should be located, you assign closeness ratings, you give reasons. That's it. There's nothing conceptually complicated about ARC. So, why does it feel hard? Because it's not intellectually hard, it's mechanically exhausting. You open Excel, you list your departments, then you compare A with B, A with C, A with D, then B with C, B with D, and on and on and on, assigning ratings, adding reasons, trying not to mess up formatting. Once you hit 12 or 15 departments, though, the spreadsheet becomes overwhelming. Not because you don't understand ARC, but because you're manually managing combinations, and that's the part that drains your energy. So you try other tools, maybe diagrams.net. You draw the triangular chart. If you position everything nicely, it looks better, but the core problem is still there. You're still manually tracking every relationship, still remembering which pairs you filled, still writing every symbol yourself. The tool helps you draw the final result, which looks nice, but it doesn't help you build the relationships, and that's the real bottleneck. ARC is easy, managing it manually isn't. So I built something specifically to remove that friction. A tool that focuses on defining relationships first and generate the chart automatically. Here's how it works. First, we enter departments, for example, receiving, storage, cutting, assembly, packaging. Then we define the reasons, shared materials, shared workers, workflow sequence, and now instead of filling a full matrix manually, we simply assign relationships between pairs. Storage and cutting might be A, absolutely necessary because materials flow directly. Assembly and packaging might also be A. Receiving and packaging might be U, unimportant. We just assign relationships, and the tool keeps track of everything automatically. No duplicate entries, no missing pairs, no broken formatting. And once we're done, we click Render. And instantly, the full activity relationship chart appears. Clean, symmetrical, presentation ready. And because it exports as SVG, you can scale it to any size for reports or thesis submissions. So yes, making activity relationship chart is actually easy. You just shouldn't have to fight Excel to do it. That's why I built the ARC ARD generator. And now we've talked about ARC. As for ARD, that's coming next.